I'm going to roll out my second lump of clay, 3000 grams of clay, 1500 of stonework buff, 1500 grams of craft crank. Now the camera is on a chair on top of a bucket because the table shakes so much. I've put it on a separate height, and so what I need my rolling pin, cloth eventually, and the stick to show me how wide I need the slab, because I'll eventually put in my mould. Now just going to flatten this lump of clay my own way. My spheres are 10 inches wide, therefore their circumference will be 31.5 inches due to pi being 3.14. Therefore the slab I eventually end up with will need to be 16 inches wide in most directions. Oh, I just concentrate. So just flatten this out. I think I can now shake the table as much as I need. That's good. Oh, how did that happen? Oh. This is where the fun starts. Now I did a video of the first clay I was flattening out, but the camera shook so much that it would probably go viral for that reason alone. So I think maybe you'd like to see me flatten out the second lump. I'm just going to need to do this lower down to see, get rid of the middle, and so we get this cloth out. Okay. Now, I do bang the clay a bit first, saves me on some rolling out. Hopefully the camera won't shake at all, so that would be much better viewing. Okay. Whoops, a daisy. Now, I turn the slab 4 times. Clay remembers everything you do to it, so I turn the slab 4 times so it has 2 rolling sessions per side. Anyway, the slab is going into a hemisphere or half sphere shape, not flat. Don't need to worry too much about warping. But myself, I still like to stick to turning it 4 times, so this is going to be first time. Now it's a funny shape again, like the last one. I guess I should concentrate. It's better. I always end up by going into a funny shape. I think it's a bit more round. Occasionally if I see an air bubble, I don't see one, but I wanted to show you my knife, I would For example, I just stick it in a pretend air bubble. I haven't spotted one yet. Now, I'm going to turn this second time. I'll just see how it's going with the stick. Nearly there. Oh, it needs to go the other way. Oh well. Okay. Almost there. Needs to be at least 16 wide, 16 inches wide most directions to cover the inside of the mold properly. Okay. The clay is rolled out in 4 rolling sessions, but actually now that I think of it, I've be turning it 3 times so that the slab will get 2 rolling sessions on each side. So I'm hardly going to turn the slab before starting the first rolling session. So for rolling session, turn, rolling session, turn, rolling session, turn, and then rolling session. So roll, turn, roll, turn, roll, turn, and roll. So that's nearly there. Oh yes. Now I'm going to turn it one last time. It's had its 3rd rolling session. Turn it the last time, and just to give it its final rolling, 4th rolling session. For look. Just the other way at 90 degrees. I'll have to do it this way as well. This way too. Now, one last measure. Let's sit. Okay. Okay. That should do. Now, I'll put the slabs of clay on plaster. I'll put damp newspaper between each slab. That's 4 slabs of clay with 3 layers of newspaper between them. Then wrap all of them up in plastic until I'm ready to put the slabs into the 2-piece molds. So I guess I'll be back later.